Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing another vegan meal plan for maximum weight loss. I haven't done one of these in a while and I really want to finish the series for you guys. So this is number 6. We've got a peanut butter cup shake, some awesome vegan Alfredo that is like mind-blowing, and a Waldorf salad for lunch. So as always, I will put all of the recipes, calories, macros, and everything in the description box for you guys. Enjoy. To make our peanut butter cup shake, we're going to need 3 frozen bananas, a cup of plant milk. I use oat milk, but you can use any kind you like. And then we have some cocoa powder and PB2 powder. All we're gonna do is put this into our blender. So it's really easy to blend if you chop your bananas into small pieces. I always find like it just doesn't blend very well if I don't do this step. Then we're just gonna add everything else in. And that's basically it. We're gonna blend this up and then we're gonna have an amazing peanut butter cup shake. This is definitely one of my favorite smoothies that I make. It is so delicious. It tastes like dessert for breakfast. This Waldorf salad recipe is super easy to make. You're just gonna need a big bowl of greens, 2 chopped celery sticks, about 3 tablespoons of onion, and then 1 chopped apple. Just add all of that into your bowl. What I like to do is just kind of mix this around with my hands before I put the dressing on, just to get everything mixed up well. And then for our dressing, we are going to need 2 tablespoons of tahini, a tablespoon of maple syrup, and a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Put all that together and just whisk it up really good to see what kind of consistency you have. If your tahini is drier, you're gonna need to use more water. If it's more wet, then you won't need to use as much. So I usually use like a tablespoon or so. Then we're just gonna dump this over top and we have a delicious lunch. For snacks, I always say the best snack you could possibly have is fresh fruit. It's super hydrating, it is high in minerals and vitamins, it's going to keep your sweet tooth satisfied. You can have any kind of fruit you got laying around. Bananas are always cheap, apples are always cheap, dates are always cheap, and they're super good for you. For dinner, we're going to be making this amazing creamy Alfredo pasta. So I have 6 ounces of gluten-free brown rice noodles. You can use whatever kind of noodles you like. I have 2 cups of spinach. We're going to need 1/4 of a cup of cashews that you've soaked for at least 2 or 3 hours, half a zucchini that you've peeled and chopped, a tomato chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, and some thyme. So we're just going to start by adding our pasta into the boiling water and letting that cook for about 10 minutes or whatever it says on your package. Just pay attention to that depending on what kind of pasta you use. And then while that is cooking, we are going to make our sauce, which is super simple. All we're gonna do is pour our cashews, our garlic cloves, the half of our lemon, the zucchini, and then the thyme. And we're gonna put about 1/4 of a cup of water in here and just give it a nice blend. So you don't want this super thin just because the pasta is still gonna have some moisture in it, so I always keep it a little bit thicker. And then once my pasta is done, I like to just stir in my spinach because the pasta is still warm, so it makes it nice and wilted without like having to actually cook it. Pour my pasta sauce over top and add on my tomatoes, and there is a delicious and filling dinner. So that is the meal plan for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you need more recipe inspiration, you can always go to our website at www.ratzawhatever.com. We have a bunch of free recipes on there. We also have a free weight loss cheat sheet if you want to get started on your weight loss journey. Check it out. I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.